Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Among Us matchmaking is full error code, and let's get straight into it. So the reason why this might be happening in the first place is because the server that you're using has like a lot of players, and obviously a lot of people try to join at the same time, so you get left out if your Wi-Fi is a little bit slower. So what you can do is get a Wi-Fi, like a faster internet connection, and you can do that by, if you have an Ethernet cable, I highly recommend using an Ethernet cable, because not only is it going to help with like higher Wi-Fi, like better Wi-Fi basically, but it's going to have less ping as well, and you're going to have much lower ping. And this is not only for Among Us; it's for every game like Valorant, Call of Duty, etc. So yeah, if you don't, but that's fine. What you can do is you can restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging all of the wires out of the like you can unplug all of the wires out of the router, wait 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug the wires back in, and then check to see if that fixes the issue. I also recommend restarting your PC as well, because that also does tend to help as well. And yeah, so once you do all of these things, you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.